How to easily turn off active status on WhatsApp. So to start, we'll have to open our WhatsApp account, and then in here we'll have to go on the top right corner of the screen and then simply tap on these three dots. After that, tap on settings, and then under settings, tap on this privacy option. After that, you will now see this option last seen and online. Tap on this one. So to turn off active status, what we need to do is to change the settings on this who can see my last seen from everyone to nobody. After that, we'll also have to change the who can see when I'm online. We'll have to change this one to same as last seen. By doing that, it will automatically turn off the active status on our WhatsApp account. So that's how easy we can turn off active status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.